Hi, I'm Eric Vienna with powerboating.com, and today we're taking a look at this Yamaha 255X jet boat. It's built for wake surfing and pretty much just about everything else. So we're definitely going to take it out on the water and see how she runs.
This boat does it all. Built with wake-specific hull design so the stern sits lower in the water, and drive technology which enhances low-speed handling and maneuverability. This is an industry first. Coming in a sleek suede gray with sapphire.
The Helm seat is meant for a driver. It is extremely comfortable, and these armrests are super convenient. They flip up or down for easy in and out access. And you can stay at this level if you want, but if you want to go a little bit higher, all you have to do is grab this, flip it up, and then you're at the perfect level to see your wake surfer in the rear view facing mirror.
The Helm has a 12.3-inch Connects touchscreen which gives you access to everything, including customizable surf settings, which makes this boat very ideal for wake surfers. There is an upgraded steering wheel, a convenient knob to your right that controls the same screen, and the throttle is in perfect reach. To top off the perfect Helm, right behind the driver's seat, you will find a cozy spot for your integrated removable cooler, so the fun can stay on the water all day long.
Another great feature on this Yamaha jet boat is the rear-facing lounge seats. Now these seats are extremely comfortable, but if you just want them to be a little bit more comfortable, with the flip of a switch, push it back, and you're in a lounging position all day on the water.
The Yamaha 255X is extremely spacious, with room for up to 12 people. Above the seats, there are wakeboard racks attached to the bimini, which provides plenty of shade throughout the whole boat. The passenger seat is just as comfortable as the driver's, with an incredible amount of cup holders and a convenient area for storage directly in front.
To get to the bow, just flip up the windshield for easy access. The Yamaha 255X's bow seating is extremely spacious. You'll find plenty of cup holders, an easy grip handrail, and for sound, we have wetsound speakers. And not to mention, we have tons of storage under the seats, here and throughout the whole boat. This boat is truly built for those great days on the water.
At the bow, you will find a convenient locker for the anchor and fold-down ladder as well, bringing it all together to live up to its promise of being a boat for not only wake surfing, but everything else. The 255X is powered by twin 1.8-liter Super Vortex high-output Yamaha Marine engines, with a fuel capacity of 70 gallons, 500 horsepower, and a max speed of around 56 miles per hour. I, for one, cannot wait to gather up some friends and get on a wakeboard behind this boat.
So there you have it, the Yamaha 255X jet boat, handled beautifully on the water.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to Powerboating YouTube channel for more amazing content.